Etia ye tiefo ene ahwefo nyina ewo ye na Awurade Yesu Kristo din mu na nansa kwesu etia ye nsomafo ene asore mu asofo ni mpanifo ni asoretu ni nyina ni wiase agidifo asamre ene wonu po a wotie ye wiase baabia ne ye kase Awurade Nyankopɔn ehira wo bebre empire boni se yadisua mu ne enyamesem chemu no Awurade nam so ne ye bekasa na wayi hu adi so akire ye na wie ye wo yenia set so wo ye nche wa atwi odi nsem kuru so bebua ama media nyina hye nya media no sambe besi ye hye nya me no nyam bebre wo ne dumu bru ho ma aso yenso yetiase ewo adichimu yediwa yeyi Ibrawo Majin Kwapa Lady Mayeyi Ibrawo Majin Kwapa Majin Why Shemin Fom So Wama atipa ati oh me di maye eri brawo Majin Kwapa aji wan shaya fumsu Wama atipa ati oh me di maye eri brawo Majin Kwapa aji Yesu bena kwasi bena kekreni na Awurade asemitu yakoma so na ajeche na yehunise wiase a yewo mu nyoma esi nyina ye de esipen na esesi bio na esi a ebia kwanye fa susu no na esesa na ye Kristofo a ye de enho atu Nyankopɔn so na yasum no teba ne saa ye fa Nyame asɛm a ene ne ekɔ ana Nyame asɛm a ye de betoto ho na etumi aboa yen na mehwehwɛ mu no Nyame asɛm a etɔ makoma so ewo saa situation a yewo mu wiase nyina mu no ewo ahene ngoma etɔ so nsia yimu aduanan no eko ehase ebe na otwemienu ni na yedi saa asɛm ho nkomo ye ntumi anwie tietu di sensensan yedi kan yepese na me aduma yesa etoa so ehwe bi a nyame di yen bekɔ akodu yato yasɛm di sɛ Awurade amwa wo a if the Lord does not help you nti ene bibia wutie na wo hwe ye bia no part 2 ana ye to aso mienu se Awurade amwa wo a of course if the Lord does not help you ye fa ye twro ne kenkan ahene ngoma itoso mienu tinsia chichemu aduonu nan kosi aduasa I can cancel from New King James Version of the Bible. And it happened that Ben-Hadad, king of Syria, gathered all his army and went up and besieged Samaria. And there was a great famine in Samaria. Indeed, they besieged it until a donkey's head was sold for 80 shekels of silver, and 1/4 of a cup of dough droppings for 5 shekels of silver. Then as the king of Israel was passing by on the wall, a woman cried out to him, saying, help my lord, O king. And he said, if the Lord does not help you, where can I find help for you? From the threshing floor or from the wine press? Then the king said to her, what is troubling you? And she answered, this woman said to me, give your son that you may eat him today, and we will eat my son tomorrow. So we boiled my son and ate him. And I said to her on the next day, give your son that you may eat him. But she has hidden her son. Now it happened when the king heard the words of the woman that he tore his clothes as he passed by on the wall. The people looked, and there underneath he had sackcloth on his body. She say, na enwachi no Syria hene Ben-Hadad boa ne dom nyina no hyiae na ofoba betua Samaria na ekom kese ba Samaria na hwe oka won hyemu ade kosi se woton afurumuti ji ditabna ade wotwe na nguburo bini kap ebupen na mu ba ko ji ditabna anum na Israel hi etwam ofasuo no so no oba bi bon se owura ohene boame na o se Awurade amoa wo a me fi hi na maboa wo emfi ayuprobia ana nsachi amunamu na ohene no ka kire ne se ede na eye wo na o se oba yi ka kire me se fa wo ba mami na yeni ne nam ne na yedi me ba nam ochena na yenua me ba no wi ade chen no mesemu se fa oba no brown na yenwe na ode ne ba no ahunta na ohene no tie oba na asem no osunso ne ntabiem na otwem wo ofasuo no so no nkrofo no hwee na ofura eyituma wo ase yaketa ne honam ani adesuamu afie na otwemi no atwem na ye kenkan no ehun se adesua bi bebre wo mu ayesua hunu se New King James say it came to pass. Yesua hu se de eba wiase bia no eba betwam se trosam se osoro ni asase betwam no Nyankopon asem ne ntwam da yedam se tutu ye ho fo hihye ye ho nkwan se situation ye wo mu se de tie bia no Awurade bebam ama no so abetwam Yetosubio Yesua hu se sa ohene na otu ba Samaria fo no ayefen ohene Ben-Hadad no yehuni din asekire esua sede ositie ene na de ye yehuni din Ben-Hadad no asekire sua se bosum bia na agidin wo won penso na sa bosum no ena idin ye de ato no na ogitum se oye bosom ne ba na yedi hu fiasu hu se sa bosom no se ye bosom bia na owoni die na omogi di se okasa akra na bubom enum yesuasu hu se yenyame so bubom se de hioboka ewoti aduana nkyemu no obisa se wo wonsa so Nyankopon de na obetumi de ne etese ne de na abubom. Are you as strong as God? Can you tender with a voice like his? Je hu se Nyankopon so okasa na obubom a ni bubom no echen bosom Hadad de afei yese sua na otwetwa mu hu ese ohini Ben-Hadad ya otu nipa so sano ama nipa ho akire won no esua se de osi ka na srafo bom how he was able to mobilize his army, the unity that existed between him and his soldiers. And my yesua hu se bread say mono say ni boyfo kura ni pa boni mpika wo mbom ama nipa ho kire no a etimi dwene boni ka bon koye boni a na yesua sere se yenso so ye Christopher yebesua said yebesi aka yen ho abom na yetumi aye onyankopon adwuma na yesua bi ohun so se esese ye ma odo ni nkabom eba tell onyankopon na mosoma Paul so 2 Corinthians 4 no say onyi wo aye efisi wo hia mu a wo tese mpapamu aba wontem afi o tu won fo se won hwe won a wodi mpapamu ba asafo no mu so yie enam so suasua se abrabo bi a ye bo ni bebi a ye adwuma no professor you should mark those omukod and then they bring division among people. Okay, in Romans chapter 16 verse 17 okay, it says, and now I make one more appeal, my brothers and sisters, watch out. So because I watch out, now you say that be bad for people who cause divisions and upset people's faith by teaching things contrary to what you have been taught. Stay away from them. From the New Living Translation. Such people are not serving Christ our Lord. They are serving their own personal interest. By smooth talk and glowing words, they deceive innocent people. Trini say, now so you are not for some moon carry one out what they move back. Now what is into the other say into the chilla mosiano, moon chumo home, everyone home. I wonder what is an some year Christo. Nemo mo sunwon ankasa yefunu wodi techiremade ni adokodoko sem daada wona wonnim bone no akoma enti oho na yede adisua ni be si ya yesre awade se obema yen adomo a yebeka yen ho abom na yeye baako na de awade bi ahye yen se bia wasase susie wadwuma mu yewo ye fiefie mu no yetumi aye ebise ohini ben hadad numpo etumi boaboa ne doma no a ode koma obi ho akere no minim wona wonu wontu agina mbra wo ye na wotie eche awrade nankopon asemi empa ebo ni se awrade bedom yen na yetumi aka yen ho boma ye nankopon adwuma ene yesa etoa so na ya hwebe bia awrade ya dema idokwa kodu Bible say, Obobo mo ho ano no, odi na sojafoɔ no. They came up and besieged Samaria, the capital of Israel. Pini say na ofro by betua Samaria. Tie ka se obi abisigi bibia anase obi atua hye bibi so a. O Hebrew anase kasa bi ma se chense Oka obi ashem anase oma obi you restrict that person o mane ne ho bibi be kanisha ne fa ahudie so ekata afese chebion say you shut that person up the kind of us pie no ni nyina mutoto e kire bio unfriendliness adia emfa odosam ni nkabom ni yakoye emba aggression say people no trash also afi an adversary obi afi wa beye wo tamfo a one wo DSA as if you also just say yakase obi aka obi ahema it was a military strategy used to fight against enemies gradually kwaya soja for na omo fa say obetwa ho hia one put and said they will overpower you, they will conquer you, they will harass you, they will crush you, and they will overthrow you. The Butaya will say, he will do it, Obama be twice also, Obebrewa but on yan intent, obeying and kakran. It was a military stratagem common in warfare used to defeat enemies gradually. Jamnumian Yeshua said the air course, the woman said, Bibia Beviasi. Na adia no akanipa ahim yen movement yen outgoing and incoming nyina asesa a restrict yen na when yen say yen for yen hu no nti wo pia woni be bi okwagohia no nti te bibi ka bibi hyemu a ne botan nyina ne sɛ obe defeat ade no ade koro na waka na hwem no obe defeat ade no ne botan nyina sɛ obe overthrow ade no ne botan nyina sɛ obe harass obe tete ade no obe ma ade na hya wo so finally and you give up at me mpaibo ne me koto sira me sira de nyankopɔn ne sɛ dia abawiase Ewade bema ye ho odo Yesu Kristo ka Jerusalem wasem mbra ohu Jerusalem ene mbra ebedu a obeka ho ahyem na obokeka asem bi wo a me pese ye hwe kakra o say Luke chapter 40 1941 to 44 from the NIV I read, and as he approached Jerusalem and saw the city, he wept over it and said, if you, even you, had only known on this day what will bring you peace, but now it is hidden from your eyes. The days will come upon you when your enemies will build an embankment against you and encircle and hem you in on every side. They will dash you to the ground. The who say Adibia Bekao Shemua. The Botai say it's against you. The Botai say it will encircle you. The Botai say on every side. They say we are to be no more. We don't mean to be Daniel Kwa. The Beka say Ahadie, we are safe. Or say Ebansa verse 44 says it will dash you to the ground. You and the children within you. Within your walls, they will not leave one stone on another because you did not recognize the time of God's coming to you. Obani and Oshekunu Sui was so said, what Munsumpo and Nessa Anka wouldn't near a far wouldn't be a far as Yehua Anka a year. Now, so what you huntao. Now, maybe Baba was so what Tafu Baba won't peer, no one chow won't conton crong. Na wakawashim bebiara na wagriw enti ade bia obibi oni petu anamo se o kawashim no me bota nse obegriw but makuma so bisade ne se ade abawi ase bota nse ebegri wo ebegri nyame asore ebegri wiase a ye wo owura bi wo hono a edini Jesus Christ a Ure Yesu nyamiase ebehu se de to won no ebia na ewo mu na ebehu so mo de no kwa de ekwa chirichen ye de na kwan ben na nyame fa so eba mu ye de atotototo ya bra bom na hwe ogie nyame de gie o na se no se ore so onje yendi o se no biri wo ene wo mma enti se ye ka wo hyemu a obi antimi mfirim mmampo it affect them na wo se wo mma owo mu no agufom na orinya obo so ndi yehu Yesu Kristo a okasa asam ne fa Jerusalem ho awie minim de atwa ho ahia se de yedi kan kan ye no na de atwa wiase ho ahia ene yare a abad a nipa nyina ehu ano no ye de efe no total or partial lockdown enso eyade a aba na asesa bibia a change bibia wo wiase bibia asesa ya bra mo asesa ya nkomodi asesa ya dwina ya dwini mpo asesa plane to be schools are closed to football and to be stadium go businesses are shut down nso ya tutum bibia atutumu a entumi enkoso se de asese koso no saa na ben hada so ne dom ebe hye Samaria won so abrabo ene won edifiri no ade nyina exercise na me hwe news bi a na Euro News kasa na oka effect aba was ayare mu o see businesses are feeling this effect. World Bank say about 9 million people will be forced into poverty. Inina ya adia abeka ya hyemunti ema hia nka yanin naso nka ho kira ye hwe kwan no aba ye nso na ediba obi so ebinim so Bible mu ye de no mu firi mu se nyame na ogie won no se ne ye gidi bi so otiase a ene me hye obo se de oyama won no ye nso pray so obeye ye tatu nyimi se ni abu ye ni titi brenum Oh, ene umaya yejina wenim. Oh, nyame sunsum. Shie buyansu. Shie ene. Nyame senia. We are no titi mrenu. Jesus ye ene. Umaye jina wenim. Oh, nyame sunsum. Shie buyansu. Senia, we are not eating. Jesus, yeah, my engine, when you more about ye, on your man, yeah, we are spoken. And yare travel on sorrow. I want it, oh dear, and yare travel on sorrow. I was thrown, and Sadia, we are not eating, be ready, and that's so. My no anymore. Christ, yeah, we got me. Smash, yeah, if we are so, and then, and what you see, and you want to protect this for the rest of sending a meeting one. You were yeah, to a dear buyer. And then I'm a better menu, yeah. And I'm all 2 years. None ya made for would you pray one. Now when you money boosuno. Said ye on him had that Bekai Samaria shame. Raya this year, whom I want to bow so. That's one young baby. At the dear by. Sanya Meno. And the Akaja said, Sanya, we are not eating. Yajanamanya, and so. Oh, my age now anymore. Christ, ye, when your days on someone, she we are so, and then say, yes, super moi, ye, say, yes, super moi, ye. Ya only part to me, Anya. Ya both one to me, Anya. Oh, say yes, to moi. I want to open. I want attitude. Don't go and kill yourself. Never. But you man, I say, oh, are you be that? And that's what they get. Answer, sir. Said your children. Bible says, Sunday, China, the dark. And to be a baby, I see a who here back. If they woo, a kaya shim, baby, a free year. There you know what I see. In the beer, when they are being nothing. And the corona, Zaya corona, Nabani, yes, a major, and so as I say, everything corona, no, as well, I think as a match as a crown. And to know our ban also na him chow our ba. And I'm to know, so what's why in chow no about there? No other can you buy shemua? You will be so also so him chow. I was drawn once some point sana. Ukra Udiba. Eti bi ko hunu wa di sem. Eti dum kunom. Jemu dum ba ko eba. Johannes said, Johnson, and now I'm reading from New NKJV, New King James Version of the Bible, English. Now I saw heaven open. I saw heaven open. And behold, a white horse. And he who sat on him was called Faithful and True. And in righteousness he judges and makes war. Kado sate kabandos. Beledi kimbara sari kabos. His eyes were like a flame of fire, and on his head were many crowns. He had a name written that no one knew except himself. He was clothed with a robe dipped in blood, and his name is called the Word of God. Chini say, "Na mi hu se osura bue." Emra wutie ya ni, wutie television ya de ehunu etu kuma. Wutie news ya de ehunu wutie na etu kuma. Uni onipa didi nkoma ya wutie na etu kuma. Ya wudi hunu bre wo kra no ho mase. But na prempre wutie mi pese wo hwe wani suna hu osura bue. Don't say who se osura bue. And you also know how you to be bue. The Buema wana, what did you know ready? Yes, you to eat. Now, obvious for who will be. Obia who yari and never yase. A beer who na huchina would know. A beer who were to my side, Uber who or Hinny. Now, Henno. Or say that share, or Procofi Derby, and ya or Tiswono, or Feno, or Sia, yeah. And then on a coffee. Now, what time? And take what my do here. The baby is you. I want you to Benji. Or see, your who know your see here, new on a coffee or what time. Now, Otusa, and then me there. Otusa. But he makes war. Otusa. And the Okubiera would know. You will never be a Otusa. Tietatunyom said, "Oh, you to sa, ewayata fuluso. Oh, Jesus, Brian Strava, Ayimo, Mona, Odumre, to sa, Jesus, Brian Strava. Ayimo, but Sabena Utirano, Umuna, ye, Kale, Mahandu Kale, Kadulama, the game when you put blood here in our way. Everybody, when you feel your voice for your sister. Aye, to sa. Osahide yetusa, oh yetusa, ewayata poroso, mire Jesus, pau pale, praye, eslabai po, umona, oh mira, yetusa, yari na show. Who may not come a chef? You not come over with your over. On the answer of purpose, because I was with them. I wanted to sing this song. The message is not yet ended. But you a quarter of it. But I want to assure you, there is a way to see heaven. My prayer is that may the Holy Ghost open your eyes. Don't see the negative things. Don't see what they are saying on television. Yes, it's good for them to tell us because that is their way. That's how they are being paid. But I want you to see heaven open this afternoon. I don't know what you are going through. But if you don't know what to say, and you push your way, Yamina Yamina Namino, Yamina Yamina, Jesus, now you assume no. The one was sorry no. Your body dino. Only Yami or Tosa or Tusa. So Tusa or Tilimu. Na Osata did you when you have Bomojum. And the Dino in Yanko Pansen. Na Doma was so known to upon coffee 50,000 dinexi. She said, you're a perfecta, a hot tear. Now, Fernanda not be free no room, or the bomb on a mine. The person ever come more, but we describe as Jesus natural. Now, that year Puma, by year no, na otieti onyankopon ade nyina sutumfo no abufo ayede no nsechi amoaso na wodi bia watro na stadia de na simu se ahene mo hene ne ewura mo ewura de verse 12 no kwa na ndo sim na ni ti so ojaframa na ni ti so ojaframa na ahimotre pi mu boni ti ahimotre odi hene enti dia be wiase no I want to assure you, as you hear the sound of my voice, who are share, and you on the two televisions, so now share, said, the camp one once a man, scary. Paris no once a man, very, very scary. But if you make a choice, oh, one inch of the bread, you want to call, but the money found what. And Ben had a big Israel for the Diakon, the Samaria for, sorry. Now, maybe I'm making guys say it was Ben Hadad's final attempt to destroy Samaria and his rival King Jehoram, son of Ahab. I feel Mummy and share, come over cow and share mono, over cow and share no impactor at the by the effect of the siege. Obetra won who share no aye Samaria no obomodia say supply dia ma kronim domino supplies say nyoma ede nyoma ba entimi mbabio bibia sisi opese wo mani bibi komo obia si ekuro mu anaga bi odofo bi wo ma afoforo so no na de amana ko play bi antu enti obeka won hye mu no aduane mfi abonten bi ama obi so ntumi fa mfi abonten fa nko ina Samaria fo hyem omo hyem ne botani say he waited till famine compelled them to surrender. Or try a community. Or watching Bible saying, and there was a great famine in Samaria. Now come here about Samaria. If you say anybody to be in Corfu, to be being quite to be in Corfu, and you have any hour no assassin. Adriania won no assassin. Afenessa. Nessa. Nti Samaria for nkashem na ohushem no de kan de bre won say akom aba kro Samaria ni akom aye nyoma bebre wo twero semu akom wa adinipa ebi se be hada botani say oba ye won sa ma finally no they will surrender. Awie anyumre anopai anabri bia wutie o baby ano. Don't give up. Don't surrender to the devil. No. Akom Emma Abraham Eko Misrim koyo but Bible no okaya e tell use words bi wan hwe akaso o mo twero no kwa but enam say hon konkro na ma wo twero nti Where did be home pass over? Okay, Genesis chapter 12, verse 10. Now there was a famine in the land, and Abraham went down to Egypt to live there for a while because the famine was severe. He went down to Egypt. The Bible because he went to Egypt, but why the down? He is not come back as soon as Abraham's son Kotna Misrim or your hope. If you say no come we thing as so. Now all you do is him as no. Or catch any year Sarah said, Shamin himself who you about who you fair. Now say Misrim for who are. Yes, you know we do our same what this year. Or can say, the year no wakumi. Or my wo atnasi. And you can say, Minian. Na wunti wa yemiye na matinas ekomunti Abraham sro ne nkwa ti Bible so sane efri baby owo Misrim asase so ekomba ya my Bible say Genesis chapter 41 so ka say ekomunti yesifu nyina ko Misrim ko to aduane mra na Joseph governor wo no Genesis chapter 41 verse 57 so come and all the world came to Egypt to buy grain from Joseph because the famine was severe everywhere. Because who could be so root so chapter 1 verse 1. And it's okay say in the days when the judges ruled, there was a famine in the land. So a man from Bethlehem, which means house of bread, in Judah, which also means praise, together with his wife and 2 sons, went to live for a while in the country of Moab. The Moab will be a freer. And to community, Moab as ancestor. Nothing could more awfully illustrate the helplessness of man, human beings, when deprived of the use of the ordinary productions of nature. Adibia many party ye na nipa hotono se ye de kam nipa na manipa eye basta enye nkom nko ne ba ho e dia hu hia ba enya sika samsun so economic impact e manipa sesan e dia hu ba na de akomatuo so e ba se de nyame no mienu ye wo mu. Now no meti wo baby say kuro bi so abrochire ya baby nipa koso ekowiwi anoma e bi say accommodate wo na situation ya wo mu abusuafo e bia ba wo trosam na nyame gye wo breku say otini na mane edoso bejo nini otenene amane edoso eso bejo nini obetiwo amawa yeye Jesus obetiwo amawa dijo oh no papo amade dos that's obetiwo but we have a year when we were having it yes you didn't say for papa you na owa abofari trimwa ya kwa yenu mwenye jabetu brano ni mamu kuma so brana wa kuan bosume nkro no waso no onye nanso yare we nti ya wo akola na ya mfane nka ne maame no ya separate no look Janice have pain, emotional pain mothers may go through the plan ko baby Chamba mini will be a plan will be there, and the company will be a home better one. And for one back. Next, I bet you ama wayeye onyame bedi wo ama wadidao no kwafu namane edosu obedi wo no kwafu namane edosu Yesu Yesu bedi wo come there by the moment you get started by. Bible say there was a great famine in Samaria, and indeed they besieged it until a donkey's head was sold for 80 shekels of silver, and 1/4 of a cup of dough droppings for 5 shekels of silver. But I want to take the word until. Atamfo aba. Abeka Samaria shem. Tell me the strategy mo use you know. Ama nipa na shemu omabo mu enya wanga so ya shemu kakra mu mpie mai mo ma yenko omu shemu kankofo di shemu obunsamo na bamu mu o. The enemy will never give up. That's why I'm encouraging you as you hear the sound of my voice. Brother, sister, don't give up. In print, I said, "No margin." Said, "Ohini Ben Hadad, I am so determined, and will trust on the real worship until." Young smartphone, young papa, dono, smartphone, pokunina, Professor Kansembi, na eyame de to me trim, or say, bibi wo bonsam wan pie tumi suama ne yeyia enka ade yensuo ho ne se na ba mumu si etumi se bibi wo no ho ne yeyia Episode in Luke chapter 4 verse 13 or say when the devil had finished tempting Jesus, he left him until the next opportunity came. He say na Yesu boas say so read on Yakobon no bo say wie so hwe nyina no ojan ho koy kakra almost by you say nyame si onkokruma Luke si hye no when the devil had finished so what finished it obi a finish bi oja hoko but Bible say be say he left until the next opportunity came o si wajan ho wie so hwe no de but osa koy kakra enti die hu wi asi so we twamua bi before from Saba enti na wie ye ka kira wo se owura bi wo ho a otibidi ni pasie twini si na wo ka won hyemu adi kosi se twini si ekoya kosi se koya kosi se oton afrumuti koya Ewiese obama bu enimlesu obama bu anopesu obama bu nyame ma koya honhom koya Semi krofo ye mi tanara nerinsai ne wana waburia sinokako mere pensoko Jesus mere pensoko ebi nyame pa akukuru honhom ewura ne wana waburia sinokako oh mere pensoko Jesus Mary Ede nyame asa no besi ha na Yesu ama ye be the third part komisa hunkunkuru be jaye na minim se ye nyankopon na Yesu no so ye bi wo Samaria o be ye bi wo wiase Intimate Pensoko, Jesus Spirit, Pensoko, Semi Cropo Yemi General, Nerissa, anyone now, Wapuria, Sineko, oh, Mary Pensoko, Jesus Spirit, Pensoko. Stand up for Jesus. He's true. And for the cross.
Holy
His royal
is no so
I say stand up for Jesus. He's true. Just for the cross. Holy power. His royal now it must not stop from victory or today. Say it's our mission. Every foe is born. And Christ stop. La Boshanda Bakiria Tarapasuanda. Marwanda Sile Kabonda Rabasile Baba. Robo Kora Isa de Ramando Baba.
Inde de la manaburu de Romodo de la manaburu de Indaya manaburu de Rodo de la manaburu de Indaya manaburu de la Robodo de la manaburu Andaya manaburu Indara ya Robodo de la Macanzumodo de la Mama Ramodo de la Mama Romodo de Yandara Yamana Bodo de Indara Yamana Bodo de
Siro Minia Siro Nasena Warikwa Siro Minia Siro
Sewako Madi Oh Enraye Womui Emo Yesu Ewa Wajifobia Odo Besie Obeje Okwa Abrejina Na Ubesriu Asriu
Embraye
Womui Emo Yesu Ewa Wajifobia Obeje Betie Na Obeje Okwa Abrejina Na Ubesriu Asriu
Esesro
Asriu
Nasena
Warikwa
Oh Sro
Asriu Sewako Madi Na Ewuma Emo Yesu Ewodifobia Odi Besie Na Obeje Okwa Abrejina Adada Obesu Asru
Eja ubisa sebere na sa
Adada
Pessoal, pessoal, Jesus, filho. Come and test me. Come and try me. What do what to do, no, baby, we will rush it to play up in conjunction and yes, who's the one to baby at the Papa now, when I was talking about one. Wouldn't it? The way we will read here. He did it, Jesus. Ya so na share.
Yeah. What else?
Great hour
is our God, none like you is within, Almighty, Sovereign One. Our God is great, far above.
I say great one
is our God, none like him is within, Almighty, Sovereign One. Our God is great,
our God, our God. Our God
is great. He is great, greater than all. Our God is great. He is great. Our God is great. He is great.
Then we say Jesus here. Who says on no ground anywhere? Only no Yankupon bar, where we are to say we are saying. Now, also, I am bombing in on us. I would give it here. Bonia, why you Yamidi show? By your Yamaba, by your training. That's it. Oompa. That's a mini who sorry at them. The argument, you know, oh, that's a Oompa. I was sorry to pass out Pastor Jesus. Pastor Jesus is alive, but yes, Onimo, your Jesus, Maria Kofi, Sans of him, the person who named Nancy. Eti baby, I ran my corner. Okay, baby, I ran my corner. Okay, Yahoo, oh, Jesus. What Marco baby, I want what Marco baby, what Marco baby, Papa. Yeah, yes, some race, Yari, Yakobi, Yanko, Yari, now we do cracking house, a hospital. What did you do? I was sign. Don't go to the hospital, you have to be strong. Oh, baby, I am not going. Okay, yeah, Mimi, yes, Menchai, Mata, oh, Sa, Nike, oh, yeah, Madame Pupa, Jesus, yeah, oh, yeah, me, Jeff. Aye. That's all right, yes. Did you say we on your papa? The bonning tea and na ube we. Me bimbo tea no na kuko nyaneo. Another day, me foul. Semi wura. Ene me kra. Ajenkwa. Na somo. Me nkwanda akai. Ti Erade boa. Me mpa ya ma baby a wutie ni baby a wo hweye. Otuma nkpadi nyankopon. Wa wo ya ngomaduma ani sankyerene. Udin ni Yehowa. Udin ni Jesus. Enonyam ni asidam ni edema udin. Mosa empempensuwe. The vampire the etiefo ni ahwefo ba wonyame anim. Wasemo tumi ahodi wo trosam se anu anam ese granting nefanu. Osuma na pasa yare. Ebi etiefo ni ahwefo obia. Ye wo hon senkyerene. Ye na bomo ku. No do say abrabona bawiye. So many that was about Samaria. Now 2 minutes no man samsuwa. Na ye bomb paye. Eye bi da nyankopon. And now obeye. Awbeko so aye. Yesu Kristo dinti Erade ye wo ho senkyerene. Tumi bi atwa bi ho ahia. Tumi bi aka obi ahyem. Da ho bi eso chai obi e obi su tumi a. Over Jesus with him. Over Jesus with him. Over Jesus with him. I ran into the mansa. Go to me. Yeah, Juma. I wanted some of some of and yet not to it. Yes, I don't want you know. Another swim for the bomb. I was what you made to you. I'll smile about smile about smile about. The ye preference appears. But you know for China. Mamu. Or Tafu China will be an impossible. But what for the chance will be better. Yes. But what for the chance will be no answer. And when you know those who bomb higher. You know, you were 1 century. You were 1 century. You were 1 century. Man century was some yeti. Erade masenkyerene ni wasamiachi. Masenkyerene ni wasamiachi. Ye odawa obisa no se o babra bon kwa he. Ye janum nyankopon. Wose sada na wose sasoto da. Ye janum somo ya so be somo ya maso be somo. Ebise o yo nyam ya wuye. Mo da ye oda. Ye pompa ya ma wiase. Ye ho nyankopon wo na onim kwa ya be faso ya ne be pri wiase. Tell you young woman, Juma was Samaria. Oh, Yahweh! Oh, Yahweh! Oh, Yahweh! Oh, Yahweh! Quite in your friend, but for your be a crime was on the subway. Be a crime of Bushra. Be a crime of officer who won't be you. Himself, so I be done in the aircraft. But see, I know. Well, what I would bebre. What the soon could you trust them to put them soft one? A yea, and a pay, and you brave your vampire. As a damn mouth. Running and century. And the persons I wouldn't want about boy to cheer reminiscing. Oh, Sarah Ratty. Oh, Wabuayana, Wacheche, when you were Sarah,
Wona Wabua Mia,
Babu, very up when you did that so. Also, get it as so bad. We are 1 century, the quite fast we are. So you nyame. You nyame. You nyame. You nyame. The situation in the mouth. Don't some bromuni adom. Yeah, was entering. I thought you was when you want to watch it. Ma woman you are mono.
When you were
Ma woman you are mono. Jesus Christ did na bomb pie. And when you count it, Jesus did. Amen.